If your Nissan Sentra's air conditioning is ice cold but nothing is coming out of the vents, we need to find the bottleneck. Statistically, 85% of these airflow issues are caused by a burnt-out blower motor resistor rather than a failed motor. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to pinpoint the exact failure. Start by checking the fuses and testing every fan speed, as a fan that only works on high is a classic resistor symptom. The resistor is located behind the glove box and is held in by two small screws. Check it for any signs of melting. If the resistor is fine, try tapping the motor housing. If it kicks on, the internal motor brushes are worn out. Most fan issues are simple DIY fixes, but if you have a melted wiring harness, it might be time for a professional. You can save over $100 in labor by swapping the resistor or motor yourself using basic hand tools. To replace the part, just remove the glove box, unplug the harness, and swap the component after disconnecting your battery. You only need a few basic tools like a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket to get this job done. Remember that a dirty cabin filter is the #1 cause of motor burnout, so change yours every 15,000 miles. With the new part installed, your AC should be blowing strong again. Thanks for watching and stay cool.